Hey guys, I'm here at the pond. We're gonna try doing a little fishing. Um, I'm basically just going for whatever species, I guess. Like bass, but bass in here are pretty small, and it looks like they've been fished out. So I guess we're gonna go for some sunfish. So I'm just using a little 16th ounce jig head with a zoom tube on there. Oh, let's see if we can get anything. And yes, I know that I'm using my pole upside down. That's how I like to use it. It's the way I've always done it, but I hadn't had a hit in that cast. Maybe we'll have to change baits. I haven't really fished this pond in a long time, but I did come up here for try for bass a little while ago, and oh, had a hit there. That's good. But as I was saying, I tried it for bass, and there was nothing really here. I'm gonna try changing to a curly-tailed grub. Maybe something maybe a little brighter color if we have one. Ah. Don't really have a brighter color, I guess. Maybe like green right there would work. I don't know where all my chartreuse ones went. That's what I usually like to use. I always seem to hit on those. I wish they made the lead on these jig heads a little smaller, because they work okay for bigger baits, but that's a lot of jig head for a little tiny. Oh no! I just cast it right into that tree. Let's see if I can smack it out of there. Oh, got it. Nice. Looks like a lot of people cast into that tree. There's quite a few lures in there. Alright, very good cast here. I think I need to get some brighter, oh, I don't know if that was a hit or if I got hung up on something. Definitely something though. Oh, just got a bump there. Hopefully something takes it. So I wanted to do a $15 fishing challenge. So let me know if that's something you guys want to see. I guess I probably won't come here for the fishing challenge. Seems like this pond has been cleaned out, man. But yeah, I think that fishing challenge would be pretty interesting. Gotta buy a pole, um, lure or bait, hooks, sinkers, whatever. Everything for under 15 bucks. Let's see if you can catch a fish. you guys tell me what species you want me to catch, then I'll try doing it like that. Like I've seen some people do catfish with that. Um, I've seen the bowfin challenge, bass. Ooh, something just surfaced right underneath that little tree. I just put it right into that tree. Oh, nice, nice. It's a good thing I got braided on this. But yeah, I've seen people do catfish, bass, bowfin. So let me know what kind of species you guys want me to fish for when I do the fishing challenge. I can probably make it happen. Oh, just had a bite right there. It's just they're so small in here. I don't know what the heck happened. Like 5, 6 years ago when I used to come here, I mean, it was like nothing. You would catch freaking. There we go. Little bass, it looks like. Oh, no, perch. Nice. I haven't caught a perch out of here for a long time. Come on, guy. Here we go. Little perch. Probably, I don't know, maybe 8 inches long. Nothing spectacular, but still fun. Hoping for a nice big bass, but I don't see that happening. I think maybe we're going to try farther down the shore. Oh, I just saw a fish blast away, so that's a good sign already. Nothing on that first cast. Over there in the swampier section of it. Oh, yep, I hit already. Come on, fella, hit again. I don't know if I got hung up in the weeds that time, but it was definitely a bite the first time. You almost stripped that grub right off there, man. That's the problem with these jig heads, like I was saying earlier. They don't have. Like, it's hard to be able to get your bait up on the keeper. Ah, must be pretty small or something. Does keep on. Oh man, he ripped the tail of it clean off. That sucker. I have to rebait now. All right, let's see if we can get that little guy. Oh, hit it, sucker. He got that tail. He's all satisfied now. He doesn't even want to hit again, that little sucker. I'm trying it. Oh, yep, there. Hit right off the bat. He probably just did the same thing, I bet you. Did he rip the tail off? No, still there. Awesome. So I'm going to slide that back up, though. Again, that's what I said I hate about these stupid jig heads. I wish I would have thought about it more before I bought them, but oh well. Still works, obviously, but it's not ideal for this kind of jig. Ah. Oh wait, did I get the little guy? I know he's there, but he's doing the same thing the other one was, hitting so lightly. I'll get back to you guys when I catch him. Well, guys, I'm sorry. I failed. There was, they were not biting this morning or something. I only caught one fish. It's that little dinky perch, and I fished all the way down to there. It's quite a good amount of shoreline I tried fishing, but didn't have any luck. I don't know what the deal is, but I mean, I had a couple bites, but they're just so small and they weren't taking it, so I don't know. I guess I'm gonna have to try fishing again another day. I'll make it into another video, but at least I didn't get skunked. Failed, but didn't get skunked. So, subscribe and like the video, comment, and have a good day.